Hi, welcome online classes. Myself, Mr. Bhausaheb Dabhade, your geography teacher. Student, welcome third standard. Social Studies, Part B, Geography, Chapter number 1, Concept of Time. Last lecture we discussed about introduction part of geography, correct? Today we discuss theme the earth and introduction, chapter number 1, concept of time. Before that we learn some important concept. Dear student, solar system. Solar system means Suryamala. The sun and the 8 planets together form the solar system. There are 8 planets in the solar system. Okay, Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. These are the 8 planets of the solar system. Okay, but our planet name is Earth. हम कौन से planet पे रहते हैं? Earth. Correct. Earth is also called the blue planet because it has a lot of water and appears blue. हमारे अर्थ को ब्लू प्लैनेट बोला जाता है. क्यों? क्योंकि अर्थ पे बहुत सारे लिविंग थिंग्स और बायोलॉजिकल एक्टिविटीज़ अवेलेबल है, इसलिए अर्थ को ब्लू प्लैनेट बोला जाता है और बायोटिक प्लैनेट भी बोला जाता है. अंडरस्टूड? नेक्स्ट, ग्लोब. Globe is also called the three-dimensional picture of the earth. This is a globe. Our earth size and shape is a spherical size and shape. Okay. This globe is divided in two equal parts. It is called as hemisphere. Center of the red line, it is called as equator, and the uppermost part of this equator, it is called as northern hemisphere, and lowermost part of this globe, it is called as southern hemisphere. Understood? This is a basic concept, northern hemisphere and southern hemisphere. Next, day and night. Student, sun is a permanent stationary object and earth rotate on the sun. Earth move around their own axis and earth rotate on the sun. सन एक जगह पे है और अर्थ अपनी सन को पूरा राउंड कंप्लीट करती है, रोटेट कंप्लीट करती है. At that time, the half part of the earth facing the solar radiation, this side it is called as day, and opposite 50% part totally dark blank, this side it is called as night. So day and night means जो सन के साइड में जो पार्ट है अर्थ का उसको बोला जाता है डे एंड अपोजिट साइड को बोला जाता है नाइट. अंडरस्टूड? नेक्स्ट, time. So let us now, student, today we discuss about concept of time. Can you imagine a world with no clocks, watches or calendars? We will not know at what time to reach school. Parents will not know when to pick up their children from school. Flights will not land or take off on time. Trains will be early or late. Without the knowledge of time, clocks और वॉचेस, देर विल बी कन्फ्यूजन. अगर टाइम हमें समझ में नहीं आया, कैलेंडर हमें समझ में नहीं आया, तो हम सब डिस्टर्ब हो जाएंगे, कन्फ्यूजन हो जाएंगे. लेट अस नाउ स्टार्ट. टाइम. टाइम इज इम्पॉर्टेंट because it tells us exactly when things happen or many happen. Time is very important because each and every part, each and every things happen to perfect timing. Early human beings could tell the time by looking at the sun as it is cross the sky. Earlier human being, the timing depend on the solar radiation, looking at the sun and it is cross द स्काई. सन की वजह से उनकी जो मतलब स्काई की वजह से, सन की वजह से लोगों को समझ में आता था कि अभी कौन सा टाइमिंग हुआ है. They could also tell the time by measuring the length of their shadows. Length of the shadows of sun, it will be the measurement of the exact and perfect timing. सन की शैडो की मेजरमेंट की वजह से वो लोग पुराने ज़माने में कितना टाइम हुआ है ये समझते थे. द शैडो is longest when the sun rises and sets. It is shortest at 12 noon as the sun is directly overhead. The directly overhead on the shadows of sun, it is called as 12 noon. दोपहर के अगर 12 बज गए तो लोग समझते थे किस वजह से कि एग्जैक्टली अपने ओवरहेड मतलब अपनी सिर के ऊपर पे सन आ गया, तो वो समझते थे अभी 12 बज गए. अंडरस्टूड. द शैडो इज लॉन्गेस्ट व्हेन द सन राइजेस एंड सेट. इट इज शॉर्टेस्ट एट 12 noon as the sun is directly overhead. Clocks and calendars help us to record the time and the day of an event correctly. There are different types of clocks that help us to know the time. Time is a very important role. अगर टाइम हमें पता नहीं है तो हमें कुछ भी नहीं समझ में आएगा. ट्रेन, रेलवे, schools, offices, and each and every role. So time is most important part of daily activity, each and every part of human beings and overall the nation. Understood? There are different types of clocks. First, sundial. What is meaning by sundial? About 5,500 years ago, the first clock came into use. This clock was called the sundial. It was invented in the Babylon. The sundial gives us the time with the help of the sun. The shadow of the sun points to a number on a curricular disc. The number 8 indicates is the time. Sundial means सोलर रेडिएशन की वजह से ये क्लॉक चलता था. बहुत पुराना क्लॉक है. अबाउट 5,500 ईयर्स अगो द फर्स्ट क्लॉक केम इन टू यूज़. 5,500 ईयर पहले ये क्लॉक डेवलप हुआ है. सन रेज की वजह से ये क्लॉक टाइमिंग दिखाता है. अंडरस्टूड. दिस इज़ द फर्स्ट टाइप्स ऑफ क्लॉक. नेम sundial. One more important thing, did you know the Maharaja of Jaipur built the largest sundial? It is a part of the observatory Jantar Mantar at Jaipur. There are 4 other Jantar Mantar situated at New Delhi, Ujjain, Mathura and Varanasi. These places are the settle point of sundial location. दिस इज़ कॉल्ड एज ऑब्जर्वेटरी लोकेशन. मतलब हमारे भारत में भी जंतर मंतर जयपुर पे, नई दिल्ली, उज्जैन, मथुरा, वाराणसी में अभी हम देख सकते हैं क्या है, sundial अवेलेबल है. नेक्स्ट टाइप्स ऑफ क्लॉक्स, द हावर ग्लास. अर्लियर पीपल ऑल्सो यूज द हावर ग्लास. The hourglass is made up of 2 glasses, bulbs joined together by a thin glass tube. The upper bulb is filled with sand, which takes 1 hour to pass through to the lower bulb. There is a hourglasses. There is a 2 bulbs. One is upper and one is lower. One glass, one bulbs joined together by a thin glass. एक दूसरे को ज्वाइन किए होते हैं. द अपर बल्ब इज फिल्ड विथ सैंड. अपर वाले बल्ब में क्या रहता है, सैंड. सैंड मीन्स रेती, वाळू. विच टेक 1 hour टू पास थ्रू टू द लोअर बल्ब. So this is the second type of clock. It is called as hourglass. Next, clocks. Clocks tell us what time of the day it is. They tell us the hours, minutes and seconds of the day. Each clock has an hour hand and minute hand, while some clocks also have a second hand. So clock is very important part, and there is a three hand. Okay, there is a three important hand: the hour hand, first number; second number the minute hand; and third number the second hand. We detail explain one by one. So student, first the hour hand. The clock face is divided into 12 parts, numbered from 1 to 12. When the hour hand, which is the smaller hand on the clock, moves from one number to the next number. So student, first number hand, it is called as hour hand. This is an example of hour hand. Hour hand move from one place to another place. It is 1 hour, which the smaller hand on the clock move from one number to the next. It is 1 hour. अभी देखो ये क्लॉक में कितना टाइम हुआ है, एग्जैक्ट 10 o'clock. Smallest hand, hour hand, move from 10 to 11. It is called as 1 hour. Thus the hour hand takes 12 hours to move round the clock once. A day has a 24 hours. A day has a 24 hours, because 12 hours day and 12 hours night. Understood? First role, the hour hand. Second number point, second number hand, it is called as minute hand. Second number कौन सा hand है? Minute hand. ये वाला minute hand है. Second वाला minute hand. Look at the clock given alongside carefully. Can you see lines between 12, 12 and 1, 12 and 1? Each line is equal to 1 minute. Every thick of the minute hand, which is the longer hand on the clock, is 1 minute. Therefore it is 5 minutes. From 12 to 1 and 1 to 2 and so on. Can you tell the time on the clock given here? अभी ये जो क्लॉक हम देख रहे हैं, ये क्लॉक में कितना टाइम हुआ है, कौन बताएगा? 10 o'clock. एग्जैक्ट कितना टाइम हुआ है? 10 o'clock, मतलब 10 बज रहे हैं अभी. अंडरस्टूड? थर्ड नंबर पॉइंट, द सेकंड हैंड. लास्ट वाला हैंड कौन सा है? द सेकंड हैंड. लुक एट द इमेज, रेड कलर हैंड. ये रेड वाला जो हैंड है, ये सेकंड हैंड. अपार्ट फ्रॉम द हावर हैंड and the minute hand, there is another hand in many clocks. This is the second hand. When this second hand makes one complete round of the clock, face from 12 and back to 12, it is 1 minute. ये पूरे क्लॉक को 12 से लेके स्टार्ट किया, तो पूरे एक राउंड जब कंप्लीट करता है सेकेंड हैंड, तब 1 मिनट कंप्लीट हो जाता है. अंडरस्टूड? देयरफॉर 60 सेकंड इज इक्वल टू 1 मिनट. 60 सेकंड जब होते हैं तो 1 मिनट हो जाता है. नेक्स्ट, 60 मिनट्स इज इक्वल टू 1 हावर्स. जब 60 मिनट हो जाते हैं तो 1 हावर्स हो जाता है. नेक्स्ट, 24 हावर्स इज इक्वल टू 1 डे. अगर 24 हावर्स कंप्लीट हो जाते हैं तो क्या हो जाता है? 1 डे. सो स्टूडेंट, today we discuss important point of clocks. Clock is a very important role for each and every activity. There is a 3 important hand: hour hand, second number minute hand, and third number hand second hand. Hour hand, minute hand, second hand. Understood? Today we discuss about concept of time. Concept of time is very important role for the day-to-day activity, each and every human being. Understood? There are some important types of clocks: sundial, the hourglass, and clocks. Understood? Remaining part of this chapter, watches and calendars, and important point, timelines, we will discuss in next online lecture. So take care. Bye bye student.